Today, I'll show you how to add iCloud to Gmail. If you have an iCloud email address and want to check those messages inside the Gmail app, the good news is that Gmail supports adding non-Gmail accounts, including iCloud Mail. Google's Gmail help says you can add another email account in the Gmail app, and Apple also provides iCloud Mail account settings if you ever need to set it up manually. To begin, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Then tap your profile picture in the top right corner and choose Add Another Account. In Gmail for iPhone and iPad, Google says you can add another account directly from that menu, and on Android the process is very similar. If iCloud appears in the list of providers, tap iCloud and follow the sign-in steps shown on the screen. Now, if Gmail doesn't add the iCloud account automatically, you can use the manual option. Google says that when your provider isn't added automatically, you can choose Other or Other, IMAP, and then enter your full iCloud email address and the mail settings manually. Apple's support page also explains that if you need manual setup for an email account, you'll need the correct mail settings from the provider. There's also one important thing to keep in mind with iCloud. If your Apple account uses extra security, you may need to verify your identity during setup, and in some cases, an app-specific password may be required instead of your normal Apple ID password. Google's Gmail help notes that with extra security measures, you may be asked to use an alternative sign-in method to complete setup. Once the account is added, you'll be able to open the Gmail app and switch between your Gmail inbox and your iCloud inbox in one place. Google also says that if you have multiple accounts in Gmail, you can view them together through all inboxes, which can make it easier to manage everything from one app. So, in simple terms, open Gmail, tap your profile picture, choose Add Another Account, select iCloud if it appears, or use Other, IMAP, if you need to set it up manually. That's the easiest way to add iCloud to Gmail on a phone, and that's how to add iCloud to Gmail. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.